Good morning. We are going to try to make donuts. You need a fire, you need butter, and you need sugar, and you need powdered sugar. So I hope this tastes really good. I hope that if we like it, I hope y'all can make it.
Putting 3.
I'm putting 3 donuts in the fire. Then it's going to go into the fire.
And some donut holes.
In some donut holes.
Just don't let them touch.
You don't let them touch. Put it to the side. And then she's taking them out. She's going to turn them over. And do it again. And we just had some to eat. And they are really good. So y'all should try them. They're really
Ready.
We're ready.
Take them very gently.
Try to.
Right. Now say dip them in butter.
You dip them in butter. You can always take it and brush it. How much butter you want to put on it does not matter. Then you take it over with your tongs and turn it over.
Put it in the sugar.
And then you put some butter on it. Dip it in the sugar, the powder sugar,
Oh, that's cinnamon and sugar.
cinnamon sugar. Put it right there. Take your next one, always put it in butter. If you don't have enough butter, it's okay. Take it out, do the other side. Stick it in the
I get the powdered sugar.
powder sugar. Oops. Ah. Oh. Powder sugar. Oops. Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Powder sugar. Rub it on this side. Then turn it over. Do it again.
All right, pick it up, put it on the plate.
Take it up and put it in your plate.
And say enjoy.
Enjoy Carrie's cooking.